Coinmarketcap is a popular platform that provides information about various cryptocurrencies and their market prices. However, Coinmarketcap itself is not a cryptocurrency exchange, so you cannot directly withdraw money from it. Instead, Coinmarketcap allows you to track the prices and performance of cryptocurrencies. If you have cryptocurrencies stored on an exchange or wallet, you can typically withdraw funds from there. Here's a general process for withdrawing funds from a cryptocurrency exchange. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the particular cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. In this video, we choose Binance Exchange. First, sign up with Binance and then complete the verification process. Depending on the exchange, you may need to complete a verification process to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and Anti-Money Laundering (AML) regulations. This often involves providing identification documents. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once your account is set up and verified, log into the exchange and locate the withdrawal section. It is usually found in your account settings or wallet section. Select the cryptocurrency and enter withdrawal details. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from your exchange wallet. Enter the withdrawal amount and the wallet address where you want to receive the funds. Make sure to double-check the wallet address to avoid any errors. Confirm the withdrawal, review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Some exchanges may require you to verify the withdrawal via email or two-factor authentication, 2FA. Wait for the transaction to complete. The time it takes for the withdrawal to process can vary depending on network congestion and other factors. Keep an eye on your wallet balance or transaction history for updates. It's important to note that the specific steps and options may vary depending on the exchange you are using. Always follow the instructions provided by the exchange and exercise caution when dealing with your cryptocurrencies. Remember to keep your funds secure and be cautious of potential scams or phishing attempts.